Edo Governor Gov Obaseki on August 15, 2024 commissioned and handed over one forward operating base (FOB) for Ehor, Uwonde local government area of the state to the military to take improved security across the state. During the ceremony, the governor begged the Nigerian army say make them tackle the issue of illegal firearms where some armed groups don't gather ahead of the upcoming elections. Governor Obaseki contacted the military for the work where them they do to maintain peace and strengthen the state security framework, and come beg them say make them establish another FOB for Akoko Edo where they for Edo North Senatorial District to help improve security for the area. Oga Obaseki come also chook mouth for the challenging security situation along the Benin-Auchi Road in recent years, say he remember how the frequent kidnappings make them create the Ehor FOB. He come beg the military say make them remain vigilant, especially with the elections where they come, and help these armed groups where fit cause trouble during the electoral process.
You will all agree with me that these two initiatives have drastically reduced the incidence of kidnapping and banditry in Edo State, particularly the southern part and central parts of Edo State. We are using the opportunity of this commissioning and handover to plead, just like over Twist, for one more base. We are very anxious about the level of arms accumulation in some communities. Fortunately, we have enough intelligence and would like you to assist us in disarming a lot of groups and gangs that may pose a threat in the next elections.
The Chief of Army Staff, where they represented by the General Officer Commanding 2 Division Nigeria Army, Major General Obina Onugbogu, contact said them build the forward base to stop kidnapping and armed robbing for the Benin-Auchi Road and to also make response day fast. It come also chook mouth on the important role where the forward operating base FOB they play to support other security agencies for the state to ensure safety and promote peaceful coexistence. It contact the local community for their cooperation, where help make the project successful. The armed chief contact say the base don't reduce security wahala for the Benin-Auchi Road Ehor houses, and come assure the public say the Nigerian army will continue to maintain peace, security and unity for the state.
The FOB was established to stop two particular issues that were occurring along the Benin-Auchi Road, which is kidnapping and armed robbery. We know that 4 Brigade is right out at Benin, and the long stretch of road around here makes it very difficult to react as fast as they can. And so that was the need why we needed to put an FOB here.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesili, TMC TV News.